Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button here down there. Okay, and today we're gonna have the unboxing of this beautiful microphone, guys. It's compatible with a phone, a tablet, and a computer, guys. Also a DSLR camera, guys, and also a video camera. So this is from BOYA, guys. This microphone, it's a universal cardioid microphone. But before that, guys, by the way, I am using this Alcatel 3X, guys, for this video. So it's the cell phone that I unboxed in one of my videos here in my channel. So let's unbox this, guys. Thank you for watching. What's included in here is this, I don't know what it's called, this furry thing. Okay, this is so cool, guys. I can use this furry thing. Oh, now this is the microphone, guys. This is to protect the audio from wind, guys. This is a furry filter, I think. I don't know what it's called, guys. Just comment, guys, if you know what it's called. So this is the microphone, guys. I've seen in YouTube so many vloggers are using this, guys. So I'm gonna try it also to connect this, guys. I bought this to connect in my DSLR D90, guys. I am not using it anymore, guys, so I used it for photography, but I'm gonna use it for vlogging, guys. So I think this one is for the clip for this microphone. Okay, and this one is to attach it there in the camera. Okay, let's see what else. This is the connector. It's a 3.5 millimeter, I think, male and male each connectors. Okay, this one is the microphone logo, and this one is for the gadget, the other thing. Oh, it has this also longer connector, guys. It also comes with this, and it also comes with this pouch here, guys. It's from BOYA. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna put the sample of this audio, guys, in this video, and also I'm gonna try to put it on the DSLR, guys. And the specs, I'm gonna also put it in the description box, and here it is. It's also made in China, guys, but let's see how good is the quality, guys. Hello, guys, this is now the BOYA microphone. I already attached it to my DSLR, the D90 Nikon. So this is my setup, guys. Okay, now you are hearing the audio from this beautiful microphone, guys, using my DSLR. So I hope you're enjoying, guys, and if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. There, it's the Alcatel 3X. Thank you, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. So that's it, guys. Subscribe, guys, for more videos. Thank you. Bye.